Good morning, children. This is Shwebal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter compound interest, in which we are dealing with exercise 11C. And in the previous video, we had a discussion on some important question of this particular exercise 11C. So here in this video, we will have a discussion on some important questions which I've chosen to discuss in today's video. So that is question number 6, which is one of the most important question of this exercise. Muhammad Aslam purchased a house from Avas Vikash Prasad on credit, means on loan. If the cost of the house is 1,25,000 and the Parishad charges interest at 12% per annum, compounded half yearly, find the interest paid by Aslam after a year and a half. Okay, children, what is the principal amount which is taken the loan on? The principal is 1,20,000. The amount of principal is 1,25,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 12% compounded half yearly. 12% compounded half yearly. Okay. Time period is given, that is 1.5 years. Time is 1.5 years. Children, it is clearly understandable that we have to apply the formula in order to get the amount. We have to apply the formula for compounded half yearly formula. Okay, children, so let us solve by applying the formula. We know that amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 200 whole to the power 2n, in which let me clear up space a bit, as I need some space for the calculation. Amount is equal to principal is 1,25,000 into 1 plus r. R means rate of interest, which is 12%. 12 by 200 whole to the power 2n means the number of 6 months. Okay, number of 6 months is 3 6 months, because 1.5 year, in 1.5 year there are 3 6 months. So I have to write the power 3 over here. The amount is equal to 1,25,000 into, so if I do solve it, I'm supposed to get 212 by 200 into 212 by 200 into 212 by 200. These are the like expression of power 3, as there are power is 3, so I have to write it thrice. So I'm just cancelling 0 and 0 with these two zeros. 1 0 here, 1 0 gone cancelled. So finally what do I have? I have got 125 into 212 into 212 into 212 by 2 into 20 into 200. Okay, children, so let us cancel it. 5 25s are 125, 5 4s are 20. 4 can cancel this number. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 1 4 3s are 12. Okay, now 2 can cancel 212, 2 0 106. Okay, and again 2 can cancel, 2 into 100 200. 2 can cancel this number, again 106. So finally what do I have, children? I have got 25 into 53 into 106 into 106 divided by 100. Okay, I can cancel 425 is 100. Okay, 4 can cancel, it can be cancelled in this way. 2 2s are 4, and it can be cancelled with 53 2s are 106. Again 2 can cancel this one, 53. Finally, what do I have, children? I have got a quite larger calculation right now. We have to make sure that we are multiplying the values in a correct way, otherwise the entire sum will be giving wrong answer. Okay, so if I find the product of 53, 53 and 53, I'm supposed to get 148,877, means 1,48,877 rupees to be paid after 1.5 years. The loan, as a loan amount, was 1,25,000. So the moment we are going to Aslam is going to repay the loan after 1.5 years, compounded half yearly, he needs to pay 1,48,877 rupees. I believe it's clear to everyone. If no, then please do watch this video again. Let us understand the next question, question number 9, which is really very interesting question. Sudarshan deposited 32,000 in a bank. Rupees 32,000 he deposited in a bank, right, where the interest is credited quarterly. If the interest be 5% per annum, what amount will he receive after 6 months? Okay, for every quarter means 4 months. Quarter means 1/4 of a number is called quarter. So quarterly means 1/4. So after every means after every 3 months, after every 3 months, he gets the interest of 5%. He gets the interest of 5% after every 3 months. 1/4 of a 12 means 3. It's 3 months. After every 3 months, he gets the interest of 5%. What will be the interest after 6 months? Okay, children, very simple, very easy way we can solve it. Let me teach you a very easy way to calculate this number. Find out simple interest of the amount P into R into T by 100. Principal is 32,000. Rate of interest is 5%. Time is 3 months, means in year is 3 by 12 into 100. 0 0 0 0 6 3 4s are 12. 4 can cancel this number. 4 80s are 320. So 5 into 80 is 400. So 400 rupees is a simple interest. So the amount will be after 3 months 32,000 plus 400 is 32,400 rupees after 3 months, first 3 months. Then children, again find out the simple interest of this amount again, because the question is of 6 months. So first 3 months we have already calculated. So for the next one will be simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. So principal is 32,400. Rate of interest is again 5%. Time is again 3 months. So it's 3 by 12 into 100. 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. 3 4s are 12. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4. So it is 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. 405. So this 405 will be added with 32,400 in order to get the final amount after 6 months. So it is 32,400 because it was the amount for amount after 3 months. For the next 3 months, again 405 will be added because as we got the interest for next 3 months. So 5, 4 plus 4, 8, 3, 2, 32,805 rupees he will receive after 6 months if the amount of if the interest is calculated for quarter of a year, 5% per annum. So amount will be 32,805 and that is only our answer. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusion, please let me know. Feel free to speak. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care everyone, and please do submit. Don't forget to submit the answer, these two solutions, these two questions in the Google Classroom. Till then, bye bye.